Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two popular LLC formation services. But before we get into the details, I want to let you know that some of the service providers that we feature today pay us a referral fee at no additional cost to you when you use the links down in the description. And if you decide to use those links, it's a great way to help support our channel, and we really appreciate it. Now, if you're a new entrepreneur or someone looking to start your own business, then choosing the right LLC formation service can be a game changer. So let's break down the pros, cons, features, and pricing of Tailor Brands and Bizee to help you make the best decision for your business. What do Tailor Brands and Bizee offer? Both Tailor Brands and Bizee are well-known names in the LLC formation space, but they cater to different needs. Tailor Brands is an all-in-one platform that not only helps you form your LLC, but also provides powerful branding and marketing tools. On the other hand, Bizee, formerly known as Incfile, focuses more on offering a budget-friendly and straightforward LLC formation process with additional legal support services. Features and pricing. Bizee's packages. They have the basic package, which is $0 plus state fees. And this package includes the essential services needed to form your LLC, such as the preparation and filing of your articles of organization. It also comes with a year of free registered agent service, helping you stay compliant with state requirements. This is an excellent value for entrepreneurs who want to get started with minimal upfront costs. Then there's a standard package, which costs $199 plus state fees. And building on the basic package, the standard option adds more comprehensive features to help you get your business established. It includes an operating agreement and assistance when setting up a business bank account. This package is a solid mid-tier choice for entrepreneurs who need a bit more support beyond the basics. And there's the premium package, which costs $299 plus state fees. The premium package is the most comprehensive option, offering everything in the standard package plus additional valuable features. It includes expedited filing, business contract templates, and a domain name with business email. This package is ideal for entrepreneurs who want a full suite of services to ensure that their business is set up for success. Additional information. When you register your LLC with Bizee, the registered agent service is free for the first year, and then it costs $119 per year afterwards. Tailor Brands packages. There's a light package, which doesn't cost anything, just you have to pay the state filing fees. And this is Tailor Brands' entry-level option, which covers the basics of LLC formation, including name availability search and filing. The essential package typically costs $199, but is available for $130 with our special offer. And this package includes everything in the light package, plus expedited processing, an operating agreement, and an annual compliance alerts. It's a step up for those who want to ensure that their business stays compliant with state regulations. Then there's the elite package, which typically costs $249 plus state fees, but you can get it for $162 using the link down in the description, along with the state fees. The elite package is where Tailor Brands really shines. It includes everything in the essential package, plus branding tools like logo creation, a website builder, and social media post customization. For entrepreneurs looking to establish a strong brand identity from the get-go, this package offers significant value. So to get started with Tailor Brands, just click the link down below in the description, and the first thing it's going to ask here is to choose the state that you're forming your LLC in. I'm in California, so I'm going to choose California, but be sure to click the state that you are forming your LLC in. And we're going to click on Claim Discount. Next, it's going to ask us what business name we want to name our LLC. So go ahead and type it in and click on Check Availability, and it looks like this name is available. So go ahead and click Next. Now, Tailor Brands is going to ask a ton of questions to personalize the experience for you. You can either answer all these questions or skip these questions. And I'm going to be skipping most of these questions, but I'm going to walk you through them so you know what you're getting into if you want to get started with Tailor Brands. So go ahead, click on Next, and it's going to begin with the questions. So it's going to ask what stage is your business currently in, whether you're just starting or you're already in business. Then it's going to ask when you're planning to launch your new business. Then they're going to ask you to tell them a little bit about your business, like what industry you're in and what does your business offer, whether that's physical goods or professional services. And it's going to ask if you're planning to hire employees in the upcoming year. Then it's going to ask where your business will operate from, whether that's online, in person, or on the go. Then it's going to ask what else you're planning to do for your business, and this way Tailor Brands can again customize some options for you that they can help you out with. And it's going to ask what you've already done for your business. And it's going to ask if you want a free tailored business plan. Since it's free, we'll go ahead and click on Next. Then it's going to ask us to get started with some contact information. Then it's going to ask if you want help getting an EIN to help you open up a business bank account and hire employees. This is going to cost an additional $99, or you can handle it yourself. Then it's going to ask to assign your registered agent as required in California, which you can use Tailor Brands for $199 after your application review, and this renews annually, or you can go ahead and appoint one yourself. Then it's going to help you keep your LLC in good standing status in California, so you can go ahead and have Tailor Brands help you do that for $199 a year, or you can handle that yourself. yourself. Then it's going to ask if you want the branding toolkit or if you don't want the tools. And then it's going to ask you if you want to expedite the filing time. So for $49, you can cut that down from 14 days to 2 days. And it's going to ask if you want an operating agreement, which you can get for $29. We'll go ahead and select yes for that. Then it's going to ask if you want your formation kit, this sort of professional looking book here, for $99, or you can go ahead and skip that and click next. Then it's going to ask if you want to add a finance manager or if you'll manage your books and invoices on your own. Then it's going to ask if you want to stay up to date with them, and we'll go ahead and follow up ourselves. Then once you get to the end here, this is the different packages that you can choose from. And again, to get the 35% off, be sure to use the link down in the description to get started with Tailor Brands. User experience. Navigating the platforms. When it comes to user experience, both Tailor Brands and Bizee offer intuitive platforms, but they cater to different types of users. Bizee's platform is designed with simplicity and speed in mind. The step-by-step process is easy to follow, making it ideal for entrepreneurs who just want to get their LLC formed quickly and efficiently. On the other hand, Tailor Brands offers a more sophisticated user experience that integrates LLC formation with branding. The platform's AI-powered system makes it easy to create a cohesive brand identity while setting up your business. Customer support. Tailor Brands offers multiple ways to get in touch with their support team. You can reach them via email, phone, or through their help center by clicking the help button on their website. The support team is known for being responsive and helpful, making it a reliable resource when you need assistance. Bizee also offers customer support via phone and email, but some users have reported challenges in getting timely responses, particularly through email. While their phone support is generally reliable, it may not be as accessible as Tailor Brands, especially for those who need a little bit more help. Bizee Pros. Budget-friendly pricing. Bizee offers their basic package at $0 plus state fees, making it one of the most affordable options for LLC formation. This is ideal for the entrepreneurs looking to start their business without a large upfront investment. Fast processing times. Bizee is known for its quick turnaround, often completing LLC formation within just 1 business day. This speed is perfect for entrepreneurs eager to get their business up and running as soon as possible. Free registered agent service for 1 year. Bizee includes a full year of registered agent service at no additional cost, which is a significant value add, especially for those new to business formation. Bizee cons. Limited branding tools. While Bizee excels in the basics of LLC formation, it lacks the branding and marketing tools that Tailor Brands offers. Entrepreneurs looking to build a strong online presence may find Bizee insufficient. Customer support issues. Some users have reported difficulties in reaching customer support, particularly through email. This could be a drawback if you require timely assistance during the LLC formation process. No comprehensive compliance services. Bizee's focus is primarily on LLC formation, with fewer options for ongoing compliance and legal support, which may be a limitation for businesses that require continuous assistance. Now for the Tailor Brands pros. They have comprehensive branding and marketing tools. Tailor Brands provides an all-in-one platform that includes LLC formation and powerful branding tools such as logo creation and a website builder, as well as social media post customization tools. This makes it an excellent choice for entrepreneurs focused on establishing a strong brand identity from the start. 24/7 customer support. Tailor Brand offers around-the-clock customer support via email, live chat, and phone, ensuring that help is available whenever you need it. Integrated platform. The user experience on Tailor Brands is designed to seamlessly integrate LLC formation with branding, allowing entrepreneurs to handle everything from business creation to brand establishment all in one place. Tailor Brands cons. Higher pricing. Tailor Brands packages, particularly the Elite plan, are more expensive. The higher cost may not be ideal for entrepreneurs who are primarily focused on LLC formation and they don't need all the additional branding tools, more than what some businesses need. For entrepreneurs solely interested in forming an LLC without the need for branding services, Tailor Brands might offer more features than necessary, making it a less cost-effective option. Learning curve for branding tools. While Tailor Brands provides a robust set of branding tools, there may be a learning curve, especially for users new to these types of services. This could require additional time and effort to fully utilize the platform. Additional services. Both Tailor Brands and Bizee offer a range of additional services that can help you maintain and grow your business. Bizee offers services such as EIN acquisition, business tax consultation, and lifetime company alerts. These services are included in their higher tier packages or can be purchased a la carte. Tailor Brands, on the other hand, focuses on providing branding and marketing tools. In addition to the LLC formation, their Elite package includes logo creation, a website builder, social media post customization, and even digital business cards. These tools are designed to help you establish a strong brand identity from day one. Which LLC formation service is right for you? You should choose Bizee if you're on a tight budget and want to minimize upfront costs. You're looking for a quick and straightforward LLC formation process. You want a free year of registered agent service included with your package. You should choose Tailor Brands if you're looking to build a strong brand identity alongside your LLC formation. You value having access to powerful branding and marketing tools from the start. Both of these services have their strengths and cater to different needs, so the right choice ultimately depends on your specific business goals. That's it for today's comparison. If you want to get started with either of these products, you'll find links for them down in the description. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use these links at no extra cost to you. And these affiliates really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you use them, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.